Ever wondered what the top water parks in the world are? If the thought has crossed your mind, then you're in for a treat. We've scoured the globe considering factors like size, the variety of attractions, guest reviews, and unique features to bring you a definitive list of the top 7. From the bustling heart of Asia to the sun-kissed coasts of Europe, we've got it all covered. Ready to dive into the world's best aquatic adventures? Buckle up, because we're starting our countdown with number 7. At number 7, we're heading to the east, to Caribbean Bay in South Korea. This water park is a tropical paradise, offering a host of attractions that cater to every adventurer's taste. Right at the heart of the park is the world's largest indoor and outdoor wave pool, where you can catch waves just like on a real beach. Don't feel like riding the waves? No problem. You can simply float down the lazy river, taking in the beautiful surroundings at a leisurely pace. But if you're after heart-stopping thrills, Caribbean Bay has you covered with their exhilarating slides, each one promising an adrenaline rush like no other. What makes Caribbean Bay truly unique is its location. It's part of Everland, South Korea's largest theme park. This means that after a day of water-soaked fun, you can explore the rest of the resort. Caribbean Bay proves that you don't need an ocean to surf. But let's move on to our number 6 pick. Next stop, Brazil. Welcome to Beach Park, our number 6. Nestled in the vibrant heart of Brazil, Beach Park is more than just a water park. It's a tropical paradise that offers a unique blend of thrill and relaxation. The park's crowning glory is none other than the Insano. Living up to its name, this is one of the tallest and most adrenaline-pumping water slides in the world. But Beach Park isn't all about heart-stopping thrills. It's also about the tranquil, sun-kissed beach it sits next to. Imagine sliding down from dizzying heights, only to be greeted by the serene sight of the azure sea. It's a place where the excitement of a water park and the tranquility of a beach merge in perfect harmony. So, if you're a fan of sun, sand, and slides, Beach Park is your dream come true. Beach Park, where sun, sand, and water slides come together. Now let's swim over to our number 5. Sayhola Cam Park in Spain, making a splash at number 5. Nestled on the sunny coast of Tenerife, this water park is a blend of exhilarating thrills and unique Thai-themed architecture. As you step through the gates, you'll find yourself transported to a world inspired by the exotic beauty of Thailand. But this park isn't just about the aesthetics. It's home to a wave pool that boasts an artificial beach, where you can relax under the Spanish sun or ride the waves to your heart's content. If you're after more adrenaline-pumping action, Siam Park delivers with its thrilling water coasters. Imagine rushing down a water slide with the speed of a roller coaster, a heart-stopping experience that's sure to make a splash. So whether you're a thrill seeker or a beach lounger, Siam Park has something for everyone. From Spain's sunny coast, we're heading to a very different location for our number 4. At number 4, we find ourselves in the tropical paradise of Bali in Indonesia. This water park is nestled amidst an oasis of lush greenery, creating a tranquil and serene atmosphere that's a perfect complement to the thrilling water rides. You'll be spoiled for choice with a variety of slides catering to daredevils and those seeking milder thrills alike. The park's crowning jewel is the Lazy River Ride, a meandering journey that allows you to soak in the park's natural beauty at a leisurely pace. From the adrenaline-pumping Smashdown 2.0 to the relaxing Funtastic for the little ones, there's something for everyone here. So whether you're a thrill seeker or someone who prefers to float your worries away, Bali is the place for you. It's not just a water park, it's an experience that marries the beauty of nature with the excitement of water-based fun. Bali, where tropical relaxation meets water park fun. But now it's time for our top 3. Our number 3 takes us to the heart of luxury, Aquaventure Water Park in Dubai, UAE. Nestled within the magnificent Atlantis Resort, this water wonderland offers a fusion of exhilarating thrills and tranquil pleasures. The park is home to some of the world's most daring slides, each one a testament to human inventiveness and the spirit of adventure. The Leap of Faith slide, for instance, plunges you down a near vertical drop, taking your breath away before depositing you in a clear tube surrounded by sharks and rays. But the thrills don't stop at the slides. Aquaventure offers unique opportunities to interact with marine life. Imagine snorkeling in the Ambassador Lagoon, home to over 65,000 marine animals. Or how about feeding a cow nose ray by hand? At Aquaventure, every moment is an invitation to dive into the extraordinary. Aquaventure Water Park, where water fun meets luxury. Now let's move on to our penultimate pick. At number 2, we're back in the States with Disney's Typhoon Lagoon. This water wonderland, nestled in the heart of Orlando, Florida, is more than just a water park. It's a place where the magic of Disney springs to life, and every splash tells a story. The park's centerpiece, Typhoon Lagoon Surf Pool, is one of the world's largest outdoor wave pools, offering high-energy fun for all ages. Feel the rush as each wave crashes against the shore, promising a refreshing escape from the Florida heat. But it's not just about the waves here. Typhoon Lagoon offers a unique marine experience too. At Shark Reef, you can snorkel with real sharks, stingrays, and colorful tropical fish. It's an underwater adventure like no other, combining the thrill of snorkeling with the safety and convenience of a controlled environment. Typhoon Lagoon, where Disney magic meets water park thrills. Now it's time to reveal our number 1. And finally, at the top of our list, we have Chimelong Water Park in China. Boasting the title of the largest water park in the world, Chimelong offers a vast array of thrilling rides and attractions to entertain every guest. This water park goes beyond just providing fun. It's dedicated to offering an unparalleled guest experience that's as refreshing as a splash in its cool blue waters. With its commitment to quality and its impressive size, it's easy to see why it's a world leader. Chimelong Water Park, truly a titan among water parks. And there you have it, the top 7 water parks in the world. We started our journey at Caribbean Bay in South Korea, then splashed over to Beach Park, Brazil. Next, we dove into Siam Park, Spain, and Waterbomb Bali, Indonesia. Our adventure then took us to Aquaventure Water Park, UAE, Typhoon Lagoon, USA, and finally, Chimelong Water Park, China. Which of these water parks do you want to visit next? Leave a comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel content. Until next time, keep making a splash.